Today, I'll show you how to highlight text in LibreOffice, a powerful and free office suite that's a great alternative to other word processing software. Whether you're working on a detailed document or simply making notes, highlighting text can help emphasize the most important sections, making your content stand out. So let's dive right in and learn how to do this effortlessly. First, you need to open the LibreOffice application on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it from their official website. Once you have it up and running, you'll find that it offers a suite of applications similar to other Office software, including a word processor, spreadsheets, and more. Once LibreOffice is open, click on the Writer document option. Writer is the word processing component of LibreOffice. Similar to Microsoft Word, it's a versatile tool that allows you to create documents with various formatting options. After selecting Writer, a new document will open, ready for you to start working on. Now that you have your document open, go ahead and type some text. This can be anything, perhaps a draft of an article, notes for your next meeting, or even just a few lines for practice. Typing the text is the first step because naturally you need something to highlight. With your text typed out, the next step is to highlight it. Click and drag your mouse over the section of text you want to emphasize. You'll notice as you do this, the selected text becomes shaded, indicating it's ready for further formatting actions. Once you have your text selected, look to the top of the LibreOffice Writer interface. Here, you'll find a toolbar with various formatting options. Among these options, you should see an icon that looks like a highlighter pen. This is your highlight color tool. Click on this icon and you'll be presented with a palette of colors to choose from. Pick the color that best suits your needs. Maybe you want a bright yellow for emphasis or perhaps a softer pastel if you're looking for something more subtle. The choice is yours and you can experiment with different colors to see what works best for your document. And there you have it. Your text is now highlighted in the color of your choice. This simple yet effective way of emphasizing text can greatly enhance the readability of your documents. Whether you're highlighting key points in a report, drawing attention to corrections, or simply adding a bit of flair to your notes, knowing how to use the highlight feature in LibreOffice Writer can be incredibly useful. If you ever need to remove the highlight, simply select the text again and choose the No Fill option from the highlight color palette. This will return your text to its original state without any highlighting. I hope you found this guide helpful. Highlighting text is a straightforward process, yet it adds significant value to your documents by making important information stand out. Thank you for watching and happy writing with LibreOffice.